Guys, hello ladies. Everyone, I want to invite you to join our VIP community. Inside this community, you will have access to all the resources from this channel. And beyond that, you will also have access to a live signal room that, up to this very moment, is operating with a 100% accuracy rate. Yes, guys, throughout the entire year of 2025, we consistently hit our targets. This is your opportunity to achieve better results by using high-quality signals. These signals are provided every single day, and they are live signals, not delayed or recorded. In addition to that, you will gain access to all the benefits available inside our community, so don't waste time. Inside the community, you will be able to see the complete trading history, real withdrawals, and transparent results. You will also understand why we recommend this platform. One of the main reasons is that withdrawals are basically instant, which makes a huge difference for traders. You can also check our complete accuracy rate, and all the links will be available in the video description. Don't miss this opportunity. Join now, and let's continue with today's video. Today, I want to share with you a script that appears to be very accurate. I want to explain everything about this tool and how it works in practice. So make sure you leave your like and subscribe to the channel, because today's content can add a lot of value to your trading journey. If you don't have an account with the broker yet, the registration link will also be available in the video description. When you register, you gain access to exclusive bonuses, the rewards panel, and several other advantages that can help you increase your results. So without further delay, let me show you the indicator screen. Let me just double check that the screen is being shared correctly with you. All the indicator settings will be available inside the community, and remember that you will also have access to the integrated signal room there. Now pay close attention. Every time a signal appears, the indicator usually initiates a move in a new direction. When we analyze and catalog these signals, you'll notice something very important. This indicator does not repaint. That alone already makes it very interesting and reliable. When the triple arrow appears, you can see that the price is working above the moving averages. In this scenario, you would usually take your win on the next candle, which indicated a sell operation. Personally, I would take that trade very comfortably because the price is clearly working below all three moving averages. It signals here, you enter here. It signals again, you enter again. You can clearly see that the accuracy rate is very solid, and it becomes even stronger when the triple arrows appear together. That's where the accuracy becomes extremely high and consistent. Let me clean the screen a bit so you can visualize this more clearly. As you can see, the results are impressive. It's also very important to stack as many confluences as possible. That is what professional traders do to increase accuracy. If you want to improve accuracy even more, you can go to the indicator tools and add the RSI. Once that's done, if a sell signal appears, I would take a sell trade at that moment. Let me refresh the chart here for a second. Since I'm recording this video, sometimes there can be a small delay due to my graphics card, which is completely normal and expected. Now you can see the arrow appearing here. I want you to watch the trade running in real time. The market is showing slightly higher volatility right now, which is also something you need to consider. You can see a double arrow appearing here, which means two arrows aligned for the next candle. So we'll wait and see how this operation develops using this script. Of course, this is not 100%. Every indicator can fail, and even signal rooms can experience losses. Losses are a normal part of trading, and it's important to be realistic about that. Earlier, I mentioned our signal room performance, which has been extremely strong. And as you can see right now, this trade resulted in a win. It was a close one, but it was still a win. Personally, I don't like trading the open market as much. I prefer trading OTC. However, even so, our signal room is currently operating with an accuracy rate above 99.9%. This can change at any time. We might experience a sequence of losses, and that is completely normal. That's exactly why I invite you to join the community and see everything with your own eyes. Create your account, join the community, and take advantage of all the benefits, including the rewards panel, exclusive bonuses, VIP access, and much more. This really makes a huge difference. And remember, any profit you make using bonuses can usually be withdrawn without any issues. I'm even trading using bonuses right now. So to summarize, this indicator can generate a single arrow, a double arrow, or a triple arrow. When you see double or triple arrows, the trade becomes much more accurate. This significantly increases your overall accuracy rate. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. This indicator will be available inside the VIP group. Just check the video description and join.